Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be replacing the date and time memory battery. JK18 pointed out that that was likely dead by that indicator on the screen. So I picked up a CR2025 battery today. We're going to get that changed right quick. It's right here. And it just pulls out. There's the old one. It's branded Sony, so I would say a 99.9% chance that that's the original CR2025 battery. And being 21, 22 years old, that's why it's dead. So here's the new one. It's a Duracell branded CR2025. And I will just stick that in there and close the little door. And that one thing flashing in the middle was gone, so I can now set the date and time on this and it should hold. Gets a little taken used to getting back used to this navigation on these older Sony cameras, but I'm getting there. And the time's not off by much. So that's done. And our time is set. Disk is full. But I can turn it off. And the time and date is correct now. So this thing's back up 100%. And since I made the last video, the battery's held the charge this long. So that's tells me that battery's still got plenty of life left in it. So once again, this has been a look at replacing the date time memory battery in the Sony FD91. Thank you for watching.